Ay!
Anything else?
Lagi ka nag-espresso sa mga
Noon, oo.
Tuwi makan ng cocktail. Pang Valentine's.
Actually, hindi man ako nagugutom eh. Nagpabudol lang ako. More than the jelly. Let's try.
Dilaw ba talaga o yung tasa lang yun?
It's the tasa. It's good. I like it.
Sarap nga.
This is the kind of coffee that I want. Even without sugar, I can drink.
Teka.